drifting across a glassy lake. You feel like a modern-day captain. You are riding on what is essentially a high-tech pool noodle with a propeller attached. It sounds like the absolute dream summer scenario. You see these sleek videos online. People are zipping around without a single care in the world. But there is a massive gap between a slick marketing reel and the reality of a plastic hull hitting a jagged rock. We see these motorized floaties everywhere lately. They promise a motorized thrill for the price of a fancy dinner. It sounds far too good to pass up for a pool party. It seems perfect for a quiet afternoon on the pond. The design is genuinely clever. I will give the creators credit for that. They take the basic concept of a lounge chair, then they slap a motor on the bottom. It turns a stationary afternoon into a mini adventure. The controls are usually simple. A kid could figure them out in 5 minutes. You push a button, you tilt a joystick, suddenly you are moving. It feels like the future of leisure has finally arrived. However, the honeymoon phase often ends quickly. It ends the moment you realize you are sitting on a giant bubble of air. That is the core conflict here. An inflatable is not a jet ski. It is not even a sturdy kayak. It is a thin layer of material holding back the water. If you expect this thing to handle like a fiberglass boat, you will be disappointed. These promotional clips make it look like you are carving through the waves. In the real world, performance is a different story. Wind matters. Current matters. If a breeze picks up, you might find yourself fighting a losing battle. You're trying to steer a giant balloon against the elements. Then there's the battery situation. Most of these gadgets use compact power cells. They just cannot keep up with a full day of exploration. You get maybe an hour of solid movement. Then you're stuck. You might be paddling back with your hands. Your friends will be laughing from the shore. It is a classic case of expectation meeting the hard rules of physics. The quality is there in a basic sense. It floats. It moves. But the claims of high-speed excitement feel like a massive stretch. You have to treat these things like the toys they actually are. They are perfect for a controlled environment. A swimming pool is their natural habitat. A calm lake is okay if you stay close to the docks, but do not expect to cross the bay on one. The material simply cannot handle the stress of heavy use. Every time you scrape against a rough pier, you are gambling. You are risking your entire afternoon on a patch of vinyl. It is about managing those expectations from the start. If you want a fun novelty for a few weekends, it might hit the spot. If you want a serious piece of watercraft, you should probably keep looking. The market for these motor floaties is exploding. Everyone wants that effortless glide. We love the idea of technology making relaxation even easier. But water is a harsh environment for electronics. It is a delicate balance to strike. You want enough power to move. You do not want to drain the battery in 10 minutes. You want it light enough to carry. You want it strong enough not to pop. Most brands haven't quite cracked that code yet. They offer a taste of the experience. They lack the full durability of a professional boat. It is a fun middle ground for the casual summer seeker. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. Bring a manual pump just in case. Do not wander too far from the shore. The motor is a fun gimmick. It is not a replacement for a real engine. It is a way to nudge yourself around the pool. If that is all you need, then you are golden. But if you think you are buying a miniature speedboat, you are in for a reality check. The water is unpredictable. These floats are light. They are fun. They are definitely temporary. Enjoy the ride while the battery lasts. Keep a sharp eye out for sharp rocks along the shoreline. Safety should always come first when you are out there. Even a slow motor can get you into trouble if the wind turns against you. Stay safe and have fun with your new gadgets.